So I'm going to show you how you can turn a blog post into a video. A lot of times people think that the only kind of videos they can make are ones where they are just talking straight to the camera. But you can also share your screen. Just like I'm doing right now, I'm sharing my screen. I'm going to be showing you how to use Lumen 5, and I have my head on there. You can also do a share screen without having your head on the video, or you can create a video just like this, where you are going to take a blog post, something that you have written, and turn that into a video. So I'm going to show you how to do that with my latest blog post. I'm going to click on Create Video. And then what I'm going to do is I am going to put in my last blog post that I have right on in here. It says use your article or search a topic. So I'm going to put in my particular article that I had. Now, the title was not tutor feedback form. That just happens to be the title of my URL. The question was that somebody had asked was, how often do you give parents feedback? So I'm going to just go right on in here and I'm going to change that. And I'm going to put, how often do you give parents feedback from tutoring sessions? Now I can change and highlight different things. I can, let's say I want to put feedback and I want to only highlight that word. That will come on up as orange so that people, it kind of sticks out a little bit differently for people. Then what I'm going to do is I go on through and I start highlighting the things that I want to add into this particular video. So I can now start taking my entire words that I've written, and I'm creating brand new slides for it. So here I am, I'm just clicking and creating new slides. Now I just go through that, and if I want to change anything, I always can. I obviously am going to go through more, but I just want to give you just how quick and how easy and simple this is to use. I can change the images here. So if I am not a fan of this image, I can go to media here and I can take a look at some of the things that they suggest. So I have here, the thing that I enjoy most about owning my own tutoring business is that no one can tell me how to do things, right? I am the boss. So let's use an I am the boss picture and place it on in there. That is the cool thing, right, about having your own online tutoring business. And then you can take a look here. I have complete freedom to run my business in the way that I feel serves my business and my students best. Awesome. I can choose again to change this picture and be like, okay, that's not really what I want there. Maybe if I put in the word business, let's see what pops on up. I could do that. You know, it's kind of like the spinning wheels. Like I get to choose to be in charge of that. And this is actually a video. It tells you that it's a video right here. Some of these are premium content. So if you take a look here, this says premium. That means that you do have to pay for this feature if you want to add that on in. And it's super expensive. So it's going to be like $99 a month in order to have a premium account. But you can have a free account for as long as you want. And they have a ton of free content, which is really cool. Here I say I can take part in business systems that I feel serve my business. So maybe here, I just add this on in. Now this is going to be the second part of it. This is still going to be popping on up while this is going in. This is, again, another video that's on in there. Here I might think of booked solid. I don't know if anything will pop on up for that, but let's see. No, it just shows. So that doesn't really book solid. Maybe I do something abstract. Why not? When you go throw something like that on in there, because it doesn't really have like a theme or anything. So that's actually kind of cool to do something abstract there, because there's not really an image that goes with that. I like this with a hand. That's good. I don't really like this over here, so maybe again, I just put in an image like this. This is really good because this looks like a parent actually asking questions, right? So that's actually not too bad. Some parents will request that you give feedback weekly. So let me see if there's anything if I put in here like weekly or calendar or something. There is. There's a calendar on here. I like that. So here we go. We've got weekly. You then can choose the music that you want for your video. I am going to choose not volatile reaction or that one. Happy Happy Game Show. I'm going to choose Happy Game Show for this one. And then what I do is I can render my video. I'm going to share my sound right now so that you can hear it. So you get an idea of what this could look like for you, and you have a professional video that's done. So that's how you can utilize repurposing your content so that you can also get into the video world and take advantage of all of the opportunities that video can create for your business and be able to get found by more people for your online tutoring business. Thanks for watching and have a great day.